Hér eru krákur með hvít. No, I'm taking video of the crows. Who is there? Because he got white spots on.
Oh, I see. I thought you were taking my carcass apart.
No. No. Why do they have white spots? Do you know?
I have no idea. I've never seen them like that before.
No, not me.
No. I thought, oh dear, what have I done?
I have never seen a crow like this.